How to change Google Chrome profile to your own custom picture. So if you also want to change your Google Chrome profile picture, which is like this, to your custom picture, here's what you need to do. So just click on the profile icon and click on customize profile. Here you can easily find all of the different avatars for your profile. But if you want to use your custom image as an avatar, so here's what you need to do. You must sign into your Chrome, that is, you sign into your Google account which you use, and always make sure you are already logged into your account. If you haven't already, you can simply choose an account to log in to your account and always enter your password if you haven't already. So I'll simply link my or sync my account. So I'll simply quickly use my password over here. So you just have to wait for a few seconds until it arrives. And once you're done, you can actually skip this process from over here, and you can actually skip this process. And once you're inside here, just like that, you'll have successfully changed your avatar to your own customized profile, that is your own profile from Google. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.